Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an essential tool for every coder out there, the W3 Markup Validation Service. Ensuring your HTML is error-free is crucial for creating top-notch websites. So let's get started. Over here we have some basic HTML with some errors. First we will select all the HTML, and an easy way to do this is to use the Control plus A buttons on your keyboard and then the Control plus C buttons to copy everything. Now, let's navigate to the W3 Markup Validation Service homepage. You can easily find it by searching W3 Markup Validation Service into your browser or typing the following URL into your browser, which will take you directly to the Validate by Input section of their website. Once you're there, you'll see a simple interface where you can input your HTML code for validation. Now let's paste in the HTML we copied earlier. This can be done using the Ctrl plus V buttons. Once you've done that, simply hit the check button. Here are the validation results. If there are errors or warnings in your code, you'll see them listed below, along with helpful information about what went wrong. Each error or warning is accompanied by an explanation, helping you understand what needs to be fixed. This also includes the line number where the error occurs. This makes it easy to locate and address any issues in your HTML. Once you fix the errors, you can revalidate your code to ensure everything is correct. If your HTML is error-free, you'll see a green message saying document checking completed, no errors or warnings to show. Now you might be wondering, why is validating your HTML so important? Well, for starters, it ensures your website is accessible to everyone, including those using assistive technologies like screen readers. Plus, it helps improve your site's performance and compatibility across different browsers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more coding tips and tricks. Until next time, happy coding!